Ito yung just to show you kung gaano ang kinuha kong young bird sa isang pair, no. So itong ibon na to ay I think ipinair ko sila mga first week ng Feb. So hatch yung unang egg nila Feb 28. Yung second batch ay March 20. Yung third batch nila ay April 26. Yung fourth clutch nila ay March 30. So apat na clutch na yon, ha. And then yung fifth clutch nila ay July 10 nag-hatch. Yung sixth clutch nila ay September 5. So as you can see, pati yung kung kailan ko binaband yung ibon nakalagay din, no. So yung first, second egg, kung kailan nag-hatch, kung kailan ko nilagyan ng band, para malinaw yung record natin. So I suggest dun sa mga newbie, no, I think or better start yung i-record yung ibon nyo